Alright, so we're gonna put the headpiece on like right now so that we can insert the mouthpiece so it can be nice and steady. So when he does breathe in and out, you'll see. We'll hook it up with the tube so that we can get gas calibration measures. So making sure that's nice and snug. Does it feel okay? There we go. So we ask him to shake his head, no movement, nice and snug. All right, next we get the mouthpiece. We're going to insert that in. So from here on out, Mike can't talk anymore. Master Jen can't talk anymore. So it's all thumbs up, thumbs down from here on out. So we're just going to tighten the mouthpiece, put it in a position that's comfortable. Feel good? Sweet.
Last thing, don't forget the nose clips. We want to make sure all the air that he's expelling out is going straight into the cart, the metal ball cart. And the speed we're going to use for Mike, he said 7.5. And remember, that speed is going to stay the same throughout the entire test. How we're going to increase the intensity is by increasing the grade of the treadmill. Again, yeah, he can't talk throughout this test, so when we show him the RPE chart, he's just going to point, we'll repeat it back to him. If that's what it is, he's going to give us a thumbs up. Any question we ask is going to be yes or no. He's going to give thumbs up yes, thumbs down for no. Obviously this is a max test, so he's going to push as hard as he can. We're going to try to push him as hard as he can. But at any time when he needs to stop, he can just hop off and stop. So normally with this test, we have them do just a little bit of a warm-up to make sure that they don't just go right into that max speed that they have, just for a couple minutes, and then they'll get right into it. I'm going to wait until I see some numbers on the screen just to make sure everything's okay, and then we're going to get them started. Good, we see numbers, so now we'll get started. And we're going. Okay, so for this first stage here, we're going to 3 minutes. We're at a 0% grade and 7.5 speed. Remember, like I said, the speed will stay the same the whole time, but as you can see, as we move through the next stages, we bump up the grade by 2% each time. Got my strong start. Now this is a max test. If you've never done this, it's pretty hard. So throughout this test, we want to make sure that we give Mike encouragement to keep pushing. He's doing a good job, and be very vocal about time, how much longer we want him to try to go, things of that nature. Keep asking him if he's doing okay. Got a minute left of the stage. About 30 seconds in this stage. Good job. And heart rate RPE. 13 RPE. And go ahead and bump it up. So now we're bumping up 2%. Good job. Good, keep it up. Heart rate is 155 on that.
Here we go. One stage at a time. Here we go.
So the first stage is 3 minutes, and then every stage after that is 2 minutes. Mid left of the stage, Mike. Mid left of the stage. Good job. Keep it up.
Here we go.
Good job. Keep pushing. All right, heart rate RPE. 15. Heart rate 162. Go ahead, bump up. 4%. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
And so throughout this test, we want to make sure that we're watching these numbers as they change, and we're looking for certain indications that Mike will go over later, but watching this RER to see if it hits a certain value. His heart rate is within that range of his max heart rate, things like that. So we always want to be monitoring this screen as well as Mike.
We're looking for those indicators and monitoring the time. The speed was selected so that hopefully the test is done within 8 to 12 minutes, ideally. And he hits that maximum number.
Good job, good job. Halfway through this stage.
Here we go.
Keep it up, doing great.
Go. Get up.
Heart rate 170.
Alright, going up.
So now as we start to get in that 8 to 12 minute range, we really want to make sure that we're keeping up with him, that he's doing all right. If he can push further, we kind of take it minute by minute. All right, all right. Good.
Here we go.
Doing great. Keep it up.
Yep, here we go.
Way to push, way to push.
Here we go. Get up, get up.
Doing great. 10 left in the stage.
Here we go, halfway. Halfway.
Good job, good job.
Good, good. Here we go.
Good job, Mike. Doing great.
Yep.
Heart rate RPE. 17. 17. Heart rate 177.
You got it. Here we go,
All right,
Mike.
keep it up. Anytime you need to stop, go ahead and hop off.
Got it. Come on. Stay.
Come on, Mike, push yourself. Come on.
Good.
Good job, good job. You're doing great. Keep it up. Come on.
Here we go.
Keep pushing.
You got this. You stay. One stage at a time. Here we go. Yep.
Good job. Keep it up.
Yep. Here we go. Good job.
Halfway through the stage. Halfway through the stage.
You got it. Come on.
Good job. All right, so we ended the test at 10 minutes and 6 seconds. So now we bump down the speed and we just want him, to cool down. So we bump down the speed to a walking speed, 0% grade, and we just want him to walk for a couple minutes here.